Hi everyone, a very warm welcome to the final day of the summer school. I'm Kay Sidebottom, you'll have met me already this week. I'm going to be telling you a little bit about what we've got planned for today. So the first lecture with myself explores posthuman methods, norms and values. I'll be exploring what using posthuman thinking as a navigational tool means for research practice, given the significant ontological, ethical and epistemological implications that it has for researchers in the neoliberal academy. We'll also be thinking about how we expand research ethics to include naturalised others, given that they're always already imbricated in everything that we do. So what happens to the usual tick box method of gaining ethical approval when we start to think about the involvement of natural and incidental participants? For example, the trees behind me, the wind, the insect that's crawling on my foot. I'll be sharing a few examples from my own research projects in which we began to expand the idea of ethics in this way. Building on from this, Dr. Katie Strom of California East Bay University joins us. Many of us will be familiar already with Katie's work, and in this lecture she'll talk about the personal challenges relating to mental health and exhaustion. Katie will query how we can stay with the trouble and continue to work affirmatively. Her lecture draws on Arundhati Roy's ideas of reimagining and is called A Different Academia is Not Only Possible, She's on Her Way, Affirmative Ethics and Relational Disruption in the Neoliberal University. Her use of the auto theory and new ethical practices of peer review will provide us with some practical examples and inspire us to think of further ways in which we can do the work despite the challenges and the barriers that we face. Lastly, in her closing lecture, Rosie will address ethics of affirmation as a meta-methodology that extracts knowledge and understanding from the pain of exclusion and devises ways to rework it collectively to generate productive relations and projects. It's a practical relational ethics that works through a step-by-step praxis of transformation at both the individual and the collective levels. In this framework, the epistemological aspects and the ethical implications work in tandem. That is to say, understanding one's situated condition is the key to how to relate affirmatively to others. We'll end the day with our joyful closing ceremony, send you on your way, and I hope that you have a really wonderful day.